Welcome back everybody to more Pathinder Reatreat. This is going to be part 79, and yes, I have actually restarted the game, because the game was eating up about 8 gigabytes of RAM, like half the RAM in this computer, and now it's just eating up 2 gigabytes. So I'm guessing there was some kind of memory leak or something there in the game, which was just causing this, and now it just feels faster honestly when you load. That's amazing. Amazing. Okay, so we'll go here. Hopefully we're not gonna get assaulted by anything here. I'm gonna see what type of monsters are lurking inside there. What monsters can be here? Okay. Jump up on the horses. Cast our spells, cast our buffs, everybody. Cast our buffs. Cast our buffs, everybody. We wake up in the morning, we cast our buffs. We wake up in the evening, we cast our buffs. Cast our buffs, cast our buffs. This might be a little bit of a short episode, by the way, today. We'll see. We'll see how things unfold. But okay. But you've probably already seen that. Since this is uploaded to YouTube, we can see how many minutes these are. So it's either gonna be longer or it's gonna be shorter, or it's not gonna be, okay? Okay. Feathered beasts, I'll choke all of you. Get your talons off me. Quack, cluck, cluck, duck, 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 cluck, cluck, duck, 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 duck. Oh my god, laser to the face. That's not very nice. Okay, Thomas, what have I done to you, you monster, beasts? Okay, stop the rock sorceress. Try to do that. Try to do. Ooh, I'm happy there wasn't at least some dialogue before that. It was just me being a dingus and just walking straight into them this time. Okay.
Always watch your back.
Okay, good.
I do things.
Now then, can you charge? No. You stand here, maybe. Maybe everybody can charge. Go ahead and say that might be possible. Man, these guys, those the freaking stunning screeches.
I always have the upper hand.
So we save them. This maybe. Cast our two strikes. Okay, and then we charge in. Yeah. Oh my freaking gunners. That did not seem like we went off with everything. Oh my god, mirror image. Okay, we actually killed two. Oh my god, there's 3 more rocks and they're stunning screeching in 3 seconds. Everybody. That's what we're gonna do. There's a thing called leg it. I'm gonna utilize that skill right now. And if we could reset combat here, that would be great. Just saying, that would be... Oh my god, is Liliana inside there? No, she's not, okay. There's a possibility that we'll be able to reset combat. Possibility. It's not a high chance, but we're gonna cast our buffs. Again here. We'll see if they come in. Doesn't seem like it. Seems like we reset combat there. Combat's finished, good. Good. Why is she healing for 6 points? By the way, did we get some amazing heal ability from somewhere? I didn't really see that. Yeah. I'm losing my temper. Yes, we're always gonna reset combat. That is how we roll. That is how we roll. Okay. Oh my god, there they are. There's one dude. Can we charge from here?
Everything has a price.
Okay, fatigue. Fatigue, 30 seconds. Okay. And these girls also have fatigue, so. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I was close to being a freaking catastrophe. Yeah, actually takes when you hold over it. Hover over it, that's great. Great. Okay. That's the end of all our fatigues. Save. Can you now charge? Nope. Can you now charge the other dude? No, there is no other dude there, man. I can go one step closer. Come a little bit closer, you're my kind of rock. So big and so strong. And I'm all alone. And the night is so long. I think it's long. Loink. Okay. Let's gonna go back here. And then we go there with you. And there with you. And there with you. And you. And everybody stand on top of each other. Cause that's a good strategy. Okay. Everything has a price. Good. Save.
Stay on your toes.
And how many rocks were there even inside there? Were there like 8 of them or something? There's a freaking lot of them. All I can say. Freaking a lot of them. And turn on the AI. And the badoosh. Oh, actually, there were 3 inside there. Oh my god. That's stunning screech though. That'll mess us up. Okay. Okay. Might need some summons here. To lure out the stunning screeches. Or something. I think here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna charge with you, charge with you, charge with you. Charge with you and charge with you. But our main character is actually gonna cost the Devas. Yep. Oh my god, and turn on the AI there also. That's okay. 2 Devas are up. Stunning screeches are unfortunately. Oh my god, we get another one just for. I don't know how. I don't know when we get so lucky, but okay. Pretty good. 23. He's casting another stunning screecher. What AC do you have, my dear dude? 34. It's not impossible to hit. 0 seconds on that thing. So might as well go in turn-based, right? Okay. Okay. I guess we'll heal a little bit. Actually didn't get stunned with our main character. That's kind of amazing. Did we roll a 20 or something to not get stunned? Everything failed as fortitude save except for our main character. Kind of amazing. Did I dismount? Or maybe I got this. Oh, maybe the horse got stunned or something. Okay, smack the rock. Nope. Okay. Yeah, you can't do anything. You're stunned. You're also stunned. Stunned, but it's only 1 turn we're stunned. Then we're getting back into it. Oh my god. Actually hit. Move on Ling. Well, thanks. Stunned. Stuns. I think everybody's just stunned. Okay. Horse though. A little smack damage there. Okay. New round though. New round, no new opportunities. 14, 15. Okay. Chandra. Miss. Contemplate on your mistakes. In exactly what I'd say. Contemplate your freaking mistakes. You've done mistakes, everybody. You've done the freaking mistake there. Okay. Save, sleep, fight these rock dudes. There we are. Yeah. And begin resting. 1 hour. Oh my god, what is this? Nabasa demon.
I'm the best. Cover me.
Actually, it's not. Oh wait, these are grown Nabasa.
Attack.
They can't level drain us though. I'm gonna go with a turn based. We'll see if we can defeat this guy. I don't think so, but maybe we can. So as you can see, it's not okay, it's draining levels on person mass. Alright. That's gaze, okay.
This is my chance to run.
Yeah, it's not going great. It's not going great. I'll leave that much. No. Now just start with this. Just start with this. Okay. I will sleep then. Sleepity sleeps. I wonder why our main character is healing all the time. It's amazing that she does that, but why? Do we have any items that we put on with shields? Maybe we did. Let's check her out later. Check her out.
Stay on your toes.
Jump up on your horse, jump up on your horse. Jump up on your horse.
Something's wrong with the spell here.
Where's your horse? Ah, it's here, okay.
I will not be trifled with.
I see. Ah.
Battles await. I stand ready.
And I mean, we're gonna do this. We've done this a couple of times.
Stay on your toes.
I don't know that we want to turn on these. I mean,
Together we stand. Let us fight.
maybe we'll do. They're kind of a nice little bonus. On these. And these. Badabadoosh. And invisibility. Ah, ba, da, ba, da, ba, doosh. Okay. Great. Now then,
Watch your back.
we should be ready. Maybe. Let's see here. Get into this fight here. Okay, can we not mess? Man, but why does it always begin with a conversation? A conversation. Surrender. If you tell me everything, I won't kill you on the spot.
Be careful, everyone.
No, it didn't fall for that, huh? Reset combat. First plan here is to reset combat. Ah, I know what you guys are doing there. I know you have a lot of cool spells. I know you have stunning screech. Yes. I see what they're doing there. Combat is finished. Unfortunately though, that's gonna be the end of the episode today. I said it was gonna be a short one. Next time, we'll take them out. See you next time. Thanks so much for watching.